Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the app of Drive app as you see here. When you'll find this page we click on force stop. Then we click OK and you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can click on your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait 2 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.